In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase crypto through your Revolut account. So if you haven't already set up a Revolut, you can do so for free just by downloading the application. So once you have a Revolut account, we're just going to open up the application like so. Then you need to click on crypto in the bottom navigation. Now from here, if you scroll down the screen, you'll see all of the different crypto coins that are available. So I can press on this see all button at the bottom, and that's going to display all of the different coins that we can purchase through Revolut. Now, if there's one particular coin that you're looking to purchase, then you can use the search box and then type in the name of that coin. So for example, let's say we wanted to purchase XRP. Now, once you've found the coin that you want to purchase, simply click on it like so, and this will display the real-time price of the coin as well as a chart to show you what it's been doing in the last few years. Now, in order to purchase this, we just need to press the buy button at the bottom. Now, if this is your first time purchasing crypto through the Revolut app, then you'll need to go through this quick questionnaire. So I am just going to press on restricted investor, and I'm just going to type in 0% for both of these boxes and press continue. And then we're going to need to start the quiz by clicking this button here, and then simply go through the questionnaire answers like so. Now, these are pretty straightforward questions, so if you don't know the answer to any of these, then you probably shouldn't be purchasing crypto anyway. So once you've submitted the questionnaire, then we just need to agree to the terms and conditions. And then from this window, you can type in the amount of physical money that you want to spend on your coin. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I've just put in £200, and that will automatically go and convert your currency into the crypto coin. So once you're happy, click on review order, and that will be added to your crypto balance in the Revolut app. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.